Yo.
Of course, you. We have a trap on the bone. I think we are on the say, I should be we need to tell you what your phone is. Send no school. Janet, I got to know.
Class 1 you know. No grab you. You need to approach you.
I did it. Has been named
then Margaret.
You get serious and I about it, mouth.
I said you have a Monday.
wherever.
I said in run of friend or catch him say I remember I like our exams.
So I'll add water to it because it's too hard. So as I've added water, I will allow it to cook for some time because it's very hard. We eat soft banku, not hard banku. I'll just turn it like this. Oh, one part is boiling than the other side. So I've turned it.
I think so kabango right. I'm say hey, sorry.
Guys, if you just joined, please subscribe.
The rocket mo. I say Elon Musk aerospace engineer.
It all boils down to how serious you are in life. You have to have vision. You have to set up goals for yourself and you study hard. If you don't study hard, you cannot be an aerospace engineer.
Okay.
Then comes on a silver platter.
Yeah.
Charles, go on. Make sure you baby, I know what I said. So it's okay, go and check. Guys, if you just joined, please subscribe, like, and comment.
Listen, boy.
May God bless your dream, okay?
Amen.
Guys, my brother says he wants to be an aerospace engineer. No, don't put it in that one again.
So I met my video bueno. Say muy anything.
So we are done. I will just pour water in it. Just take the part that has bunking and you will pour water in it.
For
Hello guys. I'm really sorry I was not reading the comments. In fact, I thought I'm not about to say anything. Thank you so much. I'm from Ghana.
oh yeah, no challenge, huh?
You are welcome to my channel. I like how the sun is setting, guys. Can you see? The sun is setting so beautiful. Oh, sorry. The sun has gone up. Sorry. The sun is setting beautifully. Frank, right? Hello, you are welcome. I really love how it's setting. Ma! Charles, where is Ma? It's back now. Okay, thank you. Guys, if you just joined, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.
Love it. Abruwanya n'nkwanya wa opopo amai. Chekwe.
Abronya na nkwanya okoko. Na be video so anu so nya.
Abruwa nkwanya we hwemu. Hey. Muro afọ n'nkwanya di. Hey. Skole me hey. Skole be ho ma n'nkwanya ye ma. Maybe. Unya bindi ba bendi. Ready, ready. Mamma had you.
Hurry up. Take a fair. Me quattro.